Hello guys, it is Kola Wole Sakporu here, aka Kolidautin, an information marketer, a bulk email marketing wizard, and a server guru. Alright, in this video, I want to briefly explain to you a very good and guaranteed income. Alright, it's called Naija Gidi Affiliate Income Directory. Alright, in this space, and what we want you to do right away is to do what? Is to promote our product. You could start earning 20,000 to 50,000 a year, between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira per sales, promoting our product. All right, I know you have friends on Facebook, you have friends on Twitter, you have friends on Instagram, you have friends on WhatsApp and Telegram. You could start sharing your links with them and do what? And make money with it. We have paid a lot of people. This is a new system coming from Kits NG Limited, Kolidautin Innovations and Technology Nigeria Limited, a company registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. So what I want you to do is you register with just one time 2,000 to become an affiliate. All right, so you could even promote the same affiliate program and earn 50% per sale. You have 50% commission per sale by bringing in more people. And that is not all. We have a lot of bonuses for you if you could meet the demand between before the payout day, because we make payments every Fridays of the week. All right, we make payments every Fridays of the week. So there's certain demand we need from you to have bonus. It is there, everything on the page. So what you need to do is, so if you could meet the demand, all right, we'll give you more bonus. But if you couldn't meet the demand, that's not a problem. We give you the commission that belongs to you. But if you meet the demand, the kind of if you could meet demand of the amount of affiliate you could refer, the amount of people you could refer, all right, will add more bonus for you. That's just a bonus. All right, and another sweetest part of this program is that this is a lifetime commission. All right, once you promote your link, or you promote any product from Naija Gidi Income Directory, what you need to do is, once you promote them and someone make a payment or they buy a product or services through your links, all right, they will be stored under your link. There's a way to check it. All the tutorials have been packaged and they are on the website right away. So if you are interested, what you need to do is to follow the instructions on this page right away. Check out how it works. I have already scripted this thing on the page you are currently looking at, or there's a link under this video that might lead you how to do how Naija Gidi works. All right, so now you make money when you referred. You make more money when you meet the demand. Maybe you meet the demand of affiliates or people you could refer before the payout period of time. All right, they will give you more bonus. You also make money when you do when the person that you have already referred buys another product from us. All right, if the person pays for another product, you keep on earning commissions in eternity, because his or her details will be stored under your affiliate list. Once you log in, you see all the people that you have referred. All right, so once you see all the people that you have referred, once they keep on buying, this is a lifetime commission. So for any product that they bought, you don't need to refer them again. Once you refer them and they sign up under your link, it is the first one-time registration. And once they keep on buying, they log into their website and they keep on buying through, and they keep on buying from our directory. We have product and services, softwares, database, and so on. And when they keep on buying, you keep on earning commission. So there's a kind of lifetime commission. Let's say, for instance, you refer 20 people. I get to my point. You refer 20 people, you could earn as high as 1,000, 20,000, or 50,000 naira commission. All right, so once you refer a lot of people, and that same 20 people buys another product from our website, all right, they are your leads already. You keep on earning commission without referring them to check out another product. In fact, you could even tell them, okay, there's another product out, you share to them, but they don't need to register again. All they need to do is to log in, and once they buy, you get commission per any sales. All right, so this is the fact. There are a lot of ways to make money online. Information marketer, you offer service for people like website design, you learn it, and so many things. But the fact is, you need a lot of income. You need a lot of capital to start. The best way to start with a low capital, a very, very low capital, is to do what? Is to promote people's product or services. All right, there are products that we offer, there are services that we offer, and there are software, all the things that we offer in the income directory already. So what you need to do is to promote them. So if you sign up with just 2,000 naira, you could start earning 10,000 or 50,000 naira per sales. In fact, if you promote the Naija Gidi affiliate program itself, all right, that is a 2,000 naira. That's the amount of 2,000 naira, whereby you earn 50% commission on that specific package, and that is 1,000 naira. So you could also promote other products that has 20,000, 50,000, 10,000 on them. All right, so these are legitimate products on our website. Any product you see on our website, they are very legitimate, and we have been paying and we will continue to pay. So what you need to do is follow the instructions on the page of this video right now. Read everything, read very well, go through it, sign up, or you could chat live with us. I think we still have live chat on the website right away, but once we have a lot of people, or thousands of people. We might just, don't worry, there are still live chat there. All right, so what you need to do is to chat live with them. They will guide you on how to sign up. All right, so we make payment every Friday for your sales. You'll be paid every Friday of the week. You don't need to wait for a few months. And in the nearest future, we'll be introducing withdraw button, but for now we pay affiliate automatically without any withdraw button. But in the nearest future, we'll be introducing the withdraw button, whereby you will need to initiate a withdrawal before you do what? Before your payout will be processed. All right, so that's just all. So to make money without huge capital is for you to do what? Promote people's products. Some people will even ask you to sign up free of charge. But in this Naija Gidi income affiliate program, this Naija Gidi directory, you need to sign up with just 2,000 naira, and you have access to promote any product on the website. You could earn as high as 20,000, 50,000 commission. We will give you what you need to promote. If you don't know how to promote, we will give you a test. What you just need to do is to replace it with your affiliate link, and that's all. Every videos and other things has been packaged there. All right, just test it, just refer just few people and see. In fact, you could even create another account, refer yourself, you will get paid. So it doesn't mean you could create as many accounts as possible. If you want to test if this is real or not, you could have any other account yourself. Just sign up, use your affiliate link to sign up yourself. You will see that you'll be what? You'll be paid. Don't forget, there are many ways to earn money on the internet, but the low capital way is promoting another people's what? Product. So once you have enough money, you could start venturing into a lot of income. All right, so I am a web hosting master, a web guru, a server guru, information marketer. I also design website. I set up bulk email marketing for people. I venture into multiple sources of income. It took me a lot of years to achieve all this. All right, it is not just a day job, it's not 2 days job, 3 days job. It took me a lot of years to achieve. You start from somewhere now. Stop waiting, start from somewhere, and once you build up your income, you could start venturing into what? Other multiple sources of income. Get started right away and you'll be good to go. Thank you very much. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye.